Dear children, today let us discuss with a new lesson, reproduction in plants. Okay, first, before going to discuss about the lesson, everyone know about the plants, yes or no? Generally, everyone is seeing in your surroundings. మీ surroundings లో మీరు plants అనేది చూసే ఉంటారు. So you are seeing some different varieties of plants in your surroundings, yes or no? So what type of plants you are seeing? Your plants differ from each plant. ఒక plant అన్ని plant same ఉండవు. Yes, so each plant differ from one or the other. Even the leaves in the plants also differ from each part. All the leaves are not in the same size. Yes or no? So everyone is seeing many types of plants near your surroundings. Especially you can say many. Some of the examples like coconut tree, yes or no, neem tree, banyan tree. Like this, many plants you can see surrounding you all. Okay, now let us discuss about the plants. As we know that plants are one of the living things. Yes or no? Plants are also called as the living things. So plants are alive just like people and animals. As we live, as we are one of the living thing, even plants are also one of the living thing. How do we know these? Living things all do certain things. As we know that how can we say that plants are living things? Plants are living things and ఎలా చెప్తామంటే here living things they perform some of the activities here. They do some things here. So what are those things here means like living things they grow and die. Living things they grow and die and they need energy, nutrients, air and water. Plants need energy, nutrients, air and water. So from where do it gets energy? It gets energy through by the process of photosynthesis. Yes or no? By the process of photosynthesis, the plants prepare its own food. So when it prepare its own food, it gets energy. It gets energy, and they produce young. Even plants also they produce the young ones, and they are made up of cells. Even plants are also made up of cells. They react to what's around them. They react to what's around them. Means surrounding them, whatever is there, they react to that. React to that means, for example, during summer season, you might have seen the leaves becoming drying. Yes or no? If what you say, during summer season, if it is very hot, summer season ఎక్కువ హాట్ ఉంటే అలాంటి టైంలో ప్లాంట్స్ అనేది లీవ్స్ ఎలాగ ఉంటాయి? లీవ్స్ how it becomes shrunken, yes or no? So that one even during what you call winter season in the early morning you can see a small drops of water on the leaves. మనము మార్నింగ్ లేసి చూస్తే ఆ లీఫ్ మీద ఒక చిన్న చిన్న వాటర్ డ్రాప్స్ అనేది మనకు కనిపిస్తుంది డ్యూరింగ్ వింటర్ సీజన్ చలికాలంలో మనకు మార్నింగ్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఇన్ ద ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ యూ కెన్ సీ ఎ స్మాల్ డ్రాప్స్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ ఆన్ ద లీవ్స్. సో లైక్ దిస్ యూ కెన్ సే దట్ ప్లాంట్స్ they react to what's around them. Okay, now let us start discussing of the plants. Now listen here. First is they start to grow. Living things starting to grow. So where do plants come from? So as you know that these plants they grow. So we came to know that plants will grow. So where do these plants come from? ఈ plants అనేది మనకు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది? Where do these plants will come from means okay, now let us discuss about where do plants come from. Where do plants comes from? So where do the plants come from? Okay, now let us discuss about this. See, as you all know that plants come from seeds. So where do the plants come from? Plants come from seeds. Plants come from seeds. And each seed contains a tiny plant waiting for those tiny plants. They wait for the right conditions to germinate or to start to grow. Your right condition means what here? Right condition means they need a proper sunlight, proper soil. Even the soil where they are kept, the soil should be in a proper way. The soil should be fertile and it contains a right amount of water, air and sunlight to germinate. If it gets the right if it gets the right conditions to germinate, then the plant, the new or baby plant which is present inside the seed, it starts growing into a new plant. It starts growing into a new plant. Just I'll show you the structure of a seed here. See all of you, just look at the structure of a seed here. See here, this is the leaf here, leaf, and they are given the structure here. If it gets the right amount of air, water and sunlight, if it gets the right conditions to germinate, then from this root a small leaf is coming here, a small leaf is coming out, and here you can see a root coming outside, a small root coming outside from the seed, means it is growing. A small root is grown here. Yes or no? Like this a small baby plant will come outside the seed. So what do seeds need to grow? What do seeds need to grow? Okay, now let us discuss about that. What do seeds need to grow? What do seeds need to grow? So what does the seeds need to grow means? As I know that it requires right amount of air, water and sunlight. Seeds want to germinate until their needs are met. Their needs are met. So what are the needs of the seeds here? What are the needs of the seeds? Water, temperature and soil. Water, temperature and soil. Water, temperature and soil. These are the needs of the seed. What these are? These are the needs of the seed. Okay, now during the early stage of its growth, the seedling depends, during the early stage of the growth, here the seedling depends upon the food supplies stores in it until it is large enough for its own leaves begin making its food through photosynthesis. So when the baby plant is coming out, so when the tiny plant which is present in the seed, when it starts coming out, where do it get the food? Where do it gets the food means in the seed coat. The seed coat are there, no? There are seed coats. So there the food which is present in the seed coat, it is taken by this tiny plant until what happens, till where it takes the food. ఎంతవరకు ఫుడ్ తీసుకుంటుందంటే until these tiny plants start to prepare its own food by the process of photosynthesis, it takes the food by the seed coat. So after taking the food, once the tiny plant will grow into a new leaf, then that new leaf start preparing its own food by the process of photosynthesis. It starts preparing its own food. Means by what process? By the process of photosynthesis. So the seedling roots push down into the soil, and after that what happens? How it grows? The seedling roots. The seedling roots means here just I showed you the picture. Which are the seedling roots here? These are the seedling roots. These seedling roots it push down into the soil to anchor the new plant and to absorb water. So that seedling root it pushes towards the soil, and there what happens? It grows into a root. So when it grows into a root, what happens? This root it absorbs the water from the soil. So when it absorbs the water from the soil and minerals from the soil, not only water, along with the water even minerals are also present. Those are also absorbed along with the water, and its stem with the new leaves pushes up towards the light. And what happens? Its stems with the new leaf. Here you can see a green color leaves. No, its stem with the new leaves. It pushes up towards the light. It pushes up towards the light means it grows towards upward towards the light. So like this, what happens when these leaves it grows towards upward? So that leaves when it is green in color, it starts preparing its own food by the process of photosynthesis. Now that process what we call it as a germination. So the germination stage ends when a shoot emerges from the soil. So when the germination stage ends here, the germination stage ends when the shoot emerges from the soil. Shoot means a stem-like structure. When it emerges from the soil. But the plant is not done growing. But the plant is not done growing. It is just started. It is just started means it has just started the growing. After the completion of germination, the plant just it begins to grow. Begins to grow అంటే ఇంకా గ్రోత్ అనేది ఇంకా కంప్లీట్ అయ్యలేదు, అప్పుడు అది స్టార్టింగ్ స్టేజ్ అనమాట గ్రోత్లో. నా ప్లాంట్స్ నీడ్ తర్వాత ప్లాంట్కి ఏమేమి అవసరము? ద ప్లాంట్ నీడ్స్ వాటర్, వార్మ్త్, nutrients from the soil and light to continue grow. So what does the plant requires here? The plant needs water, warmth, nutrients from the soil and light to continue to grow. అంటే అవన్నీ చాలా అవసరం. Throughout the life it requires all the needs. What it is? Water, warmth, nutrients from the soil and light to continue to grow. Okay, this is about